Sorry, kids, the playground's closed.
Oh, man.
Paul B. Zimmerman was started in 1947 by Paul B. Zimmerman.
A lot of like hands-on tools I use personally, a lot of tape measures, protractors, another word for like a gauge to like check thicknesses of metal.
We do a lot of custom and contract work, so that can vary from aluminum patio furniture to different kinds of farm equipment. One of our main customers right now is actually skin wrapping for a customer. So we're going to go through product managers.
Manufacturing means creating a product either from scratch to the final fabrication process, all the way to the final product. Here would mean getting a blueprint for the customer, working with the engineering team to develop how that product is going to be made and look. And then our fabrication team here in the shop will make the product, and then we move it over to fabricating department of our company, and they will put some powder coat on it. And
Now that we have this information, we can figure out how to fix our swings.